Best regard. I made this video in order to answer the question 1. Have a short dialogue, invite someone to a special celebration, and they politely decline to invitation. Hello Maria, this coming Saturday I will have a dinner for my father's birthday, so I would like you to attend this important celebration for my father. Hi Camilo. I would have very much liked to have accepted your invitation, but I will not be able to attend since this coming Friday I invite my parents on vacation, so I will not be here for that day. Anyway, thank you very much and have a great time. 2. Describe your favorite relative using physical and personal traits. My favorite relative is my father. My father is a very kid man. He is a little of body and of average stature. He is biology teacher at a school in my city. He likes to help people a lot. 3. Describe your home, including where the rooms are and some objects. My home is a little big. It is located near the center of the city where I live. It so it is on one floor. The entrance is yellow, inside they are white. The doors and windows are golden. The the ones inside are made of wood. This house has a very large living room and garage. There are dead bedrooms. One of the has its own bathrooms. In front of the first room is the dining room, followed by the main bathroom. Then the kitchen, which is bit small. Finally there is the patio in which is laundry area and green area where we have a home garden. 4. Describe what you are wearing today. As I decided to go for a walk today, then I am wearing a white shirt, blue jeans, pants, black sneakers with a little white, black socks, white, white with white stripes, a cap to cover a light of the sun, a watch on which is the most favorite uh, final blue underwear. 5. Talk about 4 things you will be you 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 will buy for your next birthday. Drinks to share with my friends and family. Decorations to decorate my birthday. A cake to share. I like new clothes. 6. Talk about your currently favorite TV shows. My favorite show is called Naked Survival. Presents it on the Discovery Channel every Tuesday. It's a survival program. I really like every time that has to do with nature. 7. Talk about the errands you did last Saturday. Last Saturday, I went out very late. I went to the market to buy lunch ingredients, eh, do some personal labs. I did my grandfather's shopping, pay for household service. 8. Talk about what eh, you will do if you win the lottery. Buy a house to live in the future. I will invest in a business which is profitable to have more income. I will pay a trip to go on vacation with my family. I will save the money left over for my children's future. 9. Describe the activity you enjoy the most when you were a child. I like to go out with my friends to play soccer. I practice basketball. We went out to basketball tournaments. I like to share with my friends. 10. Talk about the things you will do next Christmas. Share the 7 candles with my family. Go to novenas with my girlfriends. Spend 24 as a family and wait until 12. Make adult to bid farewell to the old year. Wait to start new year. Okay, finish the answer the